for joining us today on It's Vegan. I have a special treat for you. Isaac is part of a cooking club and they had a challenge last week. And he did so well that I want him to tell you a little bit about it, and then Emily and I are going to share that recipe and video with you. So Isaac, what was the challenge?
The challenge was to make something with the main ingredient of carrots.
Oh, so what did you make?
I made carrot chili.
What? Who ever heard of carrot chili? Was it good?
It was really good.
Okay, follow along and you will just see that chili come together.
So hi guys, this is my vegan chili and my grandma's actually vegan and is going to try it with me.
Yeah, it smells. I wanted to get the aroma.
Yeah.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Ready?
I like the texture. Very, very tasty. The carrots are cooked perfectly.
It almost tastes like there's meat in it.
Almost.
Yeah.
What is the thing in it that tastes almost like meat?
It is bulghur.
Bulgur wheat. All right, awesome. Good job on this.
Oh, thank you.
Join us next week for another exciting brand new recipe.